Hi, welcome to another video. This one's a little different, as you can tell. I've had this Einhell drill for 14 years. This Einhell drill, 24 volt, nickel cadmium batteries. The batteries are on the last legs. I went to put up some shelves. It's got a hammer action. Went to put up some shelves, 8mm masonry drill, new, because I kept on blunting the others. Spent 2 or 3 minutes trying to drill the first hole for the first shelf, and I gave up. This was not going to work. Eventually, for the first smaller shelf, I had to go into the cement between the bricks. I'll give you a demonstration. I thought this was hopeless. You can see it's a new drill. Also bought some Bosch ones too. But if you spend a few minutes drilling one hole and you're not going into the brick, you're not cutting the depth, the drill tip is going to heat up, and as soon as it heats up and gets hot, it's going to go soft and blunt. I've had so many problems with this over the years, trying to drill quality concrete or quality bricks. Some bricks are softer than others. Some concrete is softer than other concrete. Here's the 24 volt battery. It's enormous and it weighs a ton. I put up the first shelf using plugs similar to this. I used 8mm plugs, not 10, and had to use the cement, not the brick. So I went to Higher Services Southern, just a few miles down the road, and they were advertising this Bosch GBH 18V. This is LI Professional. This is nice and compact. It's SDS. So I had to buy this 8mm SDS bit. I wondered how well this was going to work compared to this 24 volt. So 18 volt lithium ion SDS versus 24 volt nickel cadmium. I found some old bricks outside with similar hardness to the bricks I was drilling in an old coal shed. Yes, some of these houses in Yorkshire have coal sheds, and I'll give you a demonstration. Is this lightweight 18 volt any good? Well, so I think this brick is the toughest of these four. So I'll use the Einhell first on hammer drill. That hole went quite easy. I'm probably 7 or 8mm deep there, and the tip's not too hot. But I tried it here. This seemed to be harder. Let me try here. Yeah, so maybe 6 or 7mm again there. But outside I'm cheating. I can put all my weight onto this drill. If you're standing on step ladders putting up shelves, or curtain pole drilling a concrete lintel, you cannot put all your weight on it. So that's the 24 volt Einhell. Here's the lightweight Bosch. Full length of the drill in seconds, and yeah, it's warm. Full length. Try this brick. So if you're putting up shelves, like from one year to another, you could think, well, you just spent 10-15 minutes per hole. No, it's just a joke. You'll burn out your tips. So that's the Bosch Professional GBH 18 VLI. The important part about this drill, it exerts 2 joules onto this drill bit. Can't see if this drill was in the camera view. Yeah, this one's 2 joules. The more money you spend, the more joules. And you have to look at joules to work out how much effort you need to drill a deep hole. This one, as I say, 8mm masonry. The other important thing, since these are lithium ion, if you're only going to be using it from 1 year to another, you've got to worry about these going flat. If you let them over discharge, you can ruin the battery. I had a DJI quadcopter, a Mavic, and didn't use it for a year. I had to throw away a £70 battery because it was dead, simply because I didn't use it for a year. So if you're a DIYer just doing odd jobs, maybe it's worthwhile buying a mains drill. So it doesn't look like Screwfix have got the compact. So that's similar to the one I'm using today, 2 joules, £189. Oh, that's bare, so no batteries. So that weighs 2.3 kilos, this 18 volt, 2.4 kilos. Comes with a 4 ampere lithium ion and obviously a charger, £199, so £10 for a battery and charger. Bargain. This one, but look at the length, must be like 1.5 times the length, 3.4 joules. This one here, £499, 7 joules, wow. But notice the weight, 5.1 kilos. That's one of the top one from Screwfix today, 24th of June 22, 909, 8 kilo, 18 volt, 12 ampere batteries, 12.5 joules. So if you're looking for an SDS hammer drill, at least you can weigh up the impact energy from various SDS drills. Just look at the joules. So hopefully this video has given you some insight into SDS hammer drills. Thanks for watching.